Your LinkedIn newsletter has its own page on LinkedIn. If you want to get more subscribers to your LinkedIn newsletter, here's how to share your newsletter page and create a subscription button for your LinkedIn newsletter. My name is Louise Brogan and I help companies and businesses who want to raise their profiles on LinkedIn. Okay, so go to your home page and to find your newsletter, go to Posts and Activity and click on Newsletter. I'm just going to select the newsletter. So we're going to click on the title of the newsletter here. This is the newsletter and all the editions that I have published. The three little dots here is for reporting the newsletter. Don't click on that. But this button here, Share, if you scroll down to URL options, look, subscribe on LinkedIn. And now we have a link that we can send to people. And we also have a subscribe button that we can share with people. So if you copy the link and click done, then you can send that to somebody in your email, maybe add it to your signature on your email newsletter off of LinkedIn, add it to your posts, send it to customers and clients who are asking for your LinkedIn newsletter. Another place to add your newsletter, another way to get more subscribers to your newsletter is to add it to your featured section on LinkedIn. So on here, if you click on the plus sign and click on add a newsletter and then select your newsletter, just click on feature and it will now be added to your profile like this, okay? And the next option you can do, if your focus is on growing the newsletter, which is a really smart move on LinkedIn because the newsletter is one of the best ways to get found by people who are searching through AI. Go to the activity section on your profile, click on the pencil and say that you want newsletter to show first when someone views your profile. Now when someone else comes to look at my profile, they're going to see that as the first thing. And then there'll be a big button here inviting them to subscribe to my newsletter. Hopefully this will help you grow your newsletter on LinkedIn. Check out my 30-minute tutorial on how to start and grow your LinkedIn newsletter, linked below. If you have any questions, please do put them below and make sure you subscribe to the channel.